Hear what Robert Kiyosaki said about money that will literally blow your mind and set you on the path of absolute financial freedom. In today's video, Robert T. Kiyosaki, an American billionaire, reveals 8 hidden secrets that challenge conventional wisdom about money. We will explore these concepts in detail, breaking them down into easily understandable points. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe for more valuable content. Let's delve into these secrets right away. Number 1. The importance of financial education. Most people believe that academic education is the key to financial success. However, Kiyosaki argues that financial education is even more crucial. He points out that schools teach students how to work for money, but they rarely teach them how to make money work for them. This lack of financial education is a significant reason why many people, even those with high-paying jobs, struggle financially. Traditional education versus financial education. Traditional education focuses on reading, writing, and arithmetic, preparing students to be employees. Financial education, on the other hand, teaches you how to manage, invest, and grow your money. Real-life impacts. Without financial education, people often make poor financial decisions, such as accumulating debt or failing to invest for the future. Kiyosaki emphasizes that understanding concepts like assets, liabilities, cash flow, and the difference between good and bad debt is crucial for financial success. Number 2. The myth of job security. Many people are taught to pursue or secure jobs with good benefits, but Kiyosaki debunks this idea, calling it a myth. He explains that job security is an illusion because relying solely on a paycheck makes you vulnerable to economic downturns, layoffs, and other factors beyond your control. The rat race. Kiyosaki describes the rat race as the cycle of earning, spending, and borrowing that traps many people. People work hard to earn more money, but their expenses increase just as quickly, leaving them no better off. Building wealth outside of employment. Kiyosaki encourages people to focus on building passive income streams through investments, real estate, or starting a business. This way, your income isn't solely dependent on your job, and you're better protected against financial instability. Number 3. The difference between assets and liabilities. One of the core financial lessons a man must have is understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. Kiyosaki defines assets as things that put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out of your pocket. This is contrary to what many people believe, as they often consider their home or car as assets, even though they may actually be liabilities. Misconceptions. Many people think that owning a home or car is a sign of wealth, but these are often liabilities because they cost money in the form of maintenance, taxes, and depreciation. True assets. True assets, according to Kiyosaki, include things like stocks, bonds, real estate that generates rental income, and businesses that produce cash flow. These assets work for you, generating income even when you're not actively working. Personal balance sheet. Kiyosaki encourages everyone to create a personal balance sheet to distinguish between their assets and liabilities. This practice helps in making informed decisions about what to invest in and what to avoid. Number 4. The power of passive income. The concept of passive income as the key to financial freedom. Unlike earned income, which requires active work, passive income is money earned with little to no ongoing effort. Examples include rental income, dividends from investments, and royalties from intellectual property. Does passive income matter? Passive income allows you to decouple your time from your earnings, meaning you can earn money even while you're asleep or on vacation. This is crucial for achieving financial independence. Creating passive income streams. Kiyosaki suggests that everyone should aim to create multiple streams of passive income. This could involve investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or even creating a business that doesn't require your constant attention. Financial freedom. The ultimate goal of generating passive income is to reach a point where your passive income exceeds your expenses, allowing you to live comfortably without needing a traditional job. If you are gaining value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel like, and share the video. Number 5. The role of taxes and the rich mindset. Kiyosaki highlights how the wealthy use their understanding of taxes to their advantage, while the poor and middle class often pay the highest taxes. He explains that the tax system is designed in a way that benefits business owners and investors more than employees. Tax advantages. Wealthy individuals often use corporations, investments, and real estate to reduce their tax liabilities legally. They understand how to use tax laws to their benefit, something that is rarely taught to the average person. Mindset shift. To think like the rich, Kiyosaki advises adopting a mindset that looks for opportunities within the tax system. For example, owning a business allows you to deduct certain expenses, reducing your taxable income. Active learning. Kiyosaki encourages people to actively learn about tax laws and how they can use them to their advantage. This knowledge can significantly impact your financial health and ability to build wealth. Number 6. The fear of failure and taking risks. Kiyosaki argues that fear of failure often prevents people from taking the necessary risks to become financially independent. He believes that the education system and society in general conditions people to avoid failure at all costs, but this mindset can be detrimental to wealth building. Failure as a learning tool. Failure is not the opposite of success, but a part of it. Every successful entrepreneur has faced failures, but they learned from them and moved forward. Calculated risks. Kiyosaki encourages taking calculated risks, especially when it comes to investing. Rather than avoiding risks altogether, he suggests educating yourself to minimize risks and maximize potential rewards. Overcoming fear. Overcoming the fear of failure involves shifting your mindset to see failures as valuable learning experiences. This change in perspective is crucial for those who want to break out of the conventional financial mold and achieve true success. Number 7. The influence of your social circle. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of surrounding yourself with people who have the mindset and habits you want to adopt. He argues that your social circle has a significant impact on your financial behavior and success. Birds of a feather. The idea that you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with applies to financial habits as well. If you surround yourself with people who are financially savvy and motivated, you're more likely to adopt similar behaviors. Networking and mentorship. Kiyosaki suggests actively seeking out mentors, coaches, and peers who can guide you in your financial journey. Learning from others who have already achieved what you aspire to can fast-track your success. Avoiding negative influences. Conversely, if you spend time with people who have poor financial habits or a negative attitude towards money, those traits can rub off on you. It's essential to be mindful of the company you keep. 8. Continuous learning and adaptation. Finally, Kiyosaki underscores the importance of continuous learning and adapting to the changing financial landscape. He argues that the financial world is constantly evolving, and those who fail to keep up will fall behind. Lifelong learning. Kiyosaki himself is a proponent of lifelong learning, constantly seeking new knowledge and strategies to improve his financial situation. He encourages readers to do the same, whether through books, seminars, or practical experience. Staying ahead of the curve. In today's fast-paced world, new investment opportunities, technologies, and financial tools are emerging all the time. Staying informed and being willing to adapt are keys to maintaining and growing your wealth. Investing in yourself. Kiyosaki also emphasizes the importance of investing in your own education and skills. This type of investment often yields the highest returns, equipping you with the knowledge and abilities to navigate the financial world effectively. This video is more than just about money. It's a guide to changing the way you think about wealth and financial independence. These concepts, while straightforward, require a shift in mindset, flexibility, and a commitment to continuous learning and application. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable contents. See you in the next video.